Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Juliet. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make groundnut soup. Please watch till the end. Thank you. Spread your groundnut or peanut in the baking tray and place in the oven to dry. Here are the meat that I will be using. I will be using goat meat and beef. I'll be using seasoning cube, seasoning powder, salt. Don't put too much salt at this time because we are still going to use more salt later. Here are the fishes that I'll be using: mackerel and smoked catfish. I let the groundnut dry for 20 minutes, 200 degrees. Let it cool down before peeling. And the meat has been boiling for 20 minutes. Go ahead and put iru if you are using iru. If you are not using iru, it's okay, but it's recommended. Crayfish and my washed fish. I'll be using 1 cup of oil. I will list all the ingredients in description box. Please do check it out. Why I'm doing it this way is because I want some pieces of groundnut in the soup. I don't want my groundnut to be too smooth. There should be some pieces of groundnut, crushed groundnut inside. So the best way for me to get that crushed groundnut is to use shifter, except you have a mortar and a pestle. This process might take time, but I will recommend it. We're using 1 large onion and scotch bonnet. Blend to smooth and pour the blend inside the groundnut and add some salt. Incorporate it together properly. Add the grinded groundnut into the soup. This is the grain that I will be using. You can use any grain of your choice. Slice in small pieces. Don't make your groundnut soup too thick because groundnut soup doubles in size. You might be thinking it's too watery. When it's cooled down, the soup will be so thick and you might need more water. I have off the hob. I will let the steam to cook the vegetable. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.